bitch.
It's your boy Q coming at you, man. Coming at you. I got a man cave, right? I built a while back. I had got it finished building it last year, and I tested out the air and everything, and the air was all right. It kept it nice and cool in the summer, except for when it was 100 degrees. It was all right. But then, like I said, the heater pump, because it's got a split in it. Then, you know what I'm saying, the air does air and it does heat. So I got 1 ton outside, but I got I ordered me a fire burning stove, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna use that because when it get like down to 40, it's a little nippy. When it get into 30s, it's a little real cold. And next time about 20, the dang heater pump cuts off. So I'm tired of that. So I didn't want to order me this right here. This big old boy right here. It's a big old wood burner stove. It's supposed to be able to heat up at least 2,000 square foot. And my building is a 1,200 square foot. So I'm finna go and install this right quick. Probably gonna take me about 2 days to get it put in. So pop this off. You know what I'm saying? Because I like being in the man cave. See, this man cave 1 right here, you know what I'm saying? I don't sit here. Baby truck right here, a little Lexi over there, big boy back there, you know what I'm saying? So, like I said, this cowboy stuff, like I said, this was my first man cave, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how to be out here that much now. Shoot, you know what I'm saying? I've been in the other man cave, the man cave. But I get at y'all, though. Sitting in the back of that. Is that a fan or I got, the fan is extra. I got to buy a fan because it's supposed to be in the back. What's in the front? Yeah, baby. That's the brick thing. So how the ash is supposed to fall down there then?
Look at it's too early in the game. He's going to get Derek Johnson.
That would look like you got to sweep the ashes in there. Yeah, the tray down now.
Scores.
Yeah.
Oh. So they're not falling down in there. You put that in there, lift it up.
Yep. Yeah, baby boy. We're trying to figure out where we're going to put that hole at.
Yeah, I got a good idea, but we may have to move your stove over like 4 inches.
We can.
I'm thinking like right here.
All right.
Move this thing out of the way.
Woo!
Have to get longer than that.
Yeah, that bad boy right there gonna have to be a booger bell. Woo! Drinking in that dang center block.
That's gonna be the hardest part.
That's what. Just for some heat. It's gonna be hot as hell in here with this thing here. I grabbed a few of the wood where I just got through getting. Probably gonna go right through it real quick. Had to go back down there again. y'all. Finna have some heat. Wood burning stone coming soon. Look at it right quick. It's smoking outside, y'all. Smoke dog. Got a fire going on inside. Got a fire going on inside, y'all. Yeah, I had to put some heat in this bad boy. It's finna get cold this weekend. And like I said, I got this unit right here. It's air and heat, but like the air does good. It's the heat part, man. It get down to 40, a little nippy, but shoot, after 40, it get a little cold enough. We supposed to have down below 0. Hey, when not below him, I don't know. It's supposed to get down below freezing. I don't know. But like I said, I'm up here trying to get this popping. I get this popping. Hey, I'm feeling good. Yeah, feeling good. Yeah, I had me a little drinky drink too. You gotta look over me, y'all. That boy cute.